Hi everyone, welcome to Talk Primary Maths Concept with Teacher Ben. So today we will be looking at P5 Henry Park CA1 2019 Session C question 22. Okay, the reason why I want to talk about this question is because I actually have a lot of students and even some parents who actually ask me how to do this kind of question. So usually they will try to do it using guess and check, but when you reach P5, I think you have to start to switch to use another methodology rather than using guess and check. So let's discuss this question, then I will teach you how to use the method that I will recommend for this question. So let's first interpret the question. So let me just underline the key word. So we have pencil boxes that cost $15 each. Then we also have calculators. Each will cost $24. So Kelly bought a total of 100 pencil boxes and calculator. So the total cost will be $2,130. So they want to ask how many pencil boxes did she buy. So this question, right, is under a concept called assumption. So I'm going to write down here. So assumption. Okay, so how I know that this is an assumption question? First thing is they need to tell you the individual value. So we have the individual value of pencil boxes and also individual value of calculator. Now sometimes they may not give you the individual value directly. So for example, they will say that they will tell you the cost of a pencil box, but they will not tell you the cost of the calculator. They will tell you indirectly by saying, oh, the calculator costs $9 more than a pencil box. So you do need to do a calculation to get the individual cost of your calculator. Next, they need to tell you the total number. So the total number of pencil boxes and calculator they mentioned here is 100. So in order to use assumption method, so there's two things that we have to look at. First thing, they must tell you the individual value. Let me just write down here, individual value. So the second thing that they need to tell you is the total number, the total quantity. Okay, so these are the two information that you need to see from the question in order to know that it's a assumption question. Okay, so let's do out the methodology. So what we need to do is, okay, in this case they're asking for pencil boxes. So what you need to do is to assume the other item. So I will assume or to be, sorry, let me just write properly. Okay, to be calculators. So in this case, we know that the total number of pencil boxes and calculators will be 100. So I will assume everything to be calculator. So if there's 100 calculators and each calculator costs $24, so that means that the total amount that Kelly should pay will be $2,400. But in actual fact that she only paid $2,130. So if I do a subtraction with the total, then you will get $270. So for this, I call this the total difference. Okay, this is a total difference. Okay, now if you assume all to be pencil boxes, then what will happen is the total that you get here will be lesser than $2,130. So what you need to do is you take the bigger number minus away the small number if you assume all to be pencil boxes. Okay, next, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what is the individual difference. So I know that one calculator costs $24 and one pencil box will cost $15. So you know that there's a difference of $9. So I call this an individual difference. Individual difference. Okay, then the next step, I will be using the total difference, $270. I will divide by $9. So this will give me 30. And I know that this 30 will be the number of pencil boxes. Okay, so these are the 4 steps that you need to do for assumption. Now let's understand what we are trying to do here. So I'm going to use another color to explain to you. Okay, so this $270, which is our total difference, because based on what we assume, it cannot be 100 calculators, because it will be the total amount will be too high compared to the actual amount that is paid. So that means that there will be certain number of pencil boxes in this 100 calculator, in this 100 total number, right? So what we need to do is, if I take out, so let's say that now we have 100 calculator, so I put a C to represent calculator. So this will give me $2,400. Now if I take out one calculator, which means that now I'm going to reduce this to 99. Then for my pencil boxes, then I will increase it by 1, because the total number must be 100, right? So we have to keep maintaining 100. So what will happen is, this will actually reduce. We have to reduce it by $9. This is by calculating our individual difference. So we do an exchange. If I take out one calculator, I put in one pencil box, then I will reduce the total amount by $9. So this will give me $2,391. So what I'm trying to do here is, I want to see how many times I need to replace so that I can get $2,130. So I will keep replacing. So what happens is, this will keep dropping by $9, right? So we keep doing. Then you notice that when you hit 30, and here will be taking 100 minus away 30, so 70. Then this will give me $2,130. This is based on what I've done here. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to do check. Or we're going to do our next step, which is our inspection. Okay, we do check. So if you look at calculator, we know that we will have 70 because I take 100 minus away 30. If I take 70 multiplied by $24 each, then I will get $1,680. If I look at the pencil box, in this case I get the answer as 30. So I take 30 multiplied by $15 each. So I will get $450. So if I add them up, so 1,680. If I do an addition to $450, then you notice that I will get $2,130. And this actually match to my question, right? Which is here. This match to this value here. Okay, so I know that my 30 will be a correct answer. So this is how we should inspect our answer when we are doing an assumption question. So remember a few things to take note. So how we interpret the question, we must see that they have given us all the individual value of each of the items or subject. Then next thing, we need to see that they give us the total quantity. Now, if the question didn't give us the total quantity, but they give us the quantity of each of the subject by units, then it will be under another concept called number times value. Okay, so I will try to explain this concept, number times value, in another video. So that's all for this video. So you can actually follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, and also hit the notification button so that you can get the latest update of our video. And also you can follow us on our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub. We will post articles to actually show you some tricks, or even explain about some of the history of certain mathematics term. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to share with us in the comments box below, and we will actually get back to you. Okay, that's all for today's video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.